What's up, guys? 2019 Volkswagen Jetta, my boy Angel's car here. We're doing the rear brake pads right here, so I'm going to show you guys the tools and everything that I'm using here. Let's take a look. Okay, so the tools you're going to need is, first of all, make sure when you put the car up in the air, your parking brake is disengaged. This is electric parking brake. Nothing's gonna happen to this line. If you think this line is gonna break, you're out of your mind, okay? All those people that be thinking. So I retracted this piston by removing this guy right here, this Allen key and these two Allens right here. Then this actuator pops up. I got a ton of videos because this one I decided not to kind of go all the way. Disconnect this connector. What you wanna do is you wanna push down on this tab. I used one of my picks here and I pushed in on it like that, down, and then I pulled it out with the screwdriver. That comes out. ABS line runs through it. Make sure you plug this back in, because if you don't, you're gonna have all kinds of light in the dash. Okay, so once you remove this, you're gonna be able to fit this in the back. Okay, I had somebody show up in the back. So this is a 9mm. You could try 9mm, 8mm. You're gonna put this compress tool in here, just like a normal compress tool. So you're gonna try to turn this, okay, one direction and squeeze at the same time. If this doesn't turn, that means it's retracting the piston out. Go the opposite way and then push it, and the same thing on the other side. That's how you're gonna get that piston in. So you're gonna need a couple of more tools, okay? First of all, you need Allens for this guy right here, this right here. This is a number 7. You need for that screw right here. This is a T30, okay, for that. I use this one right here. This is a 5mm for the actuator here, and they come right off, okay? And then after that, you just wiggle on this, and this piece just comes right off. After that, you're gonna need one more tool. Where the hell did it go? Right here, okay? This goes in the back, okay? This goes freaking in the back. Gave me a lot of hassle. So this is a 14mm. That's what this baby is. This goes in the back right here, okay? Fits on it perfectly. So I'm locking these up right now, and I'm not recording the whole video. So once you're done, I'm sure you guys know how to do the brakes. Rotor goes in, lock these two bolts up. Caliper goes in, lock up the studs for the caliper, put the connector in, and then you do have that little retainer. I like to use the old one, okay? Put this old one, not the new one with the new brakes, because that thing is just a mess. Anyways, there we have it. I'm gonna put this right here. And if you guys got a Volkswagen Jetta, that's how you're gonna do it. So thank you for watching my video.